All right, number 55. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence. What kind of sequence is it? Ooh, I can quickly see, ooh, you doubled. But it's going negative, positive, negative, positive. So I can see we multiplied by -2. -3 times -2 is +6. +6 times -2 is -12. -12 times -2 is +24. So yes, our rate that we're multiplying by here is going to be -2. So it is geometric. That's the type of sequence. So the formula for the sum of what do we want? The first 10? First 10 is simply going to be the first term, which is -3. We got to be careful here when we do it. And then it's, what is it? It is 1 minus the rate, which is -2. Now remember, that's got to be in parentheses. Raised to, we want to go 10 times out. 10. All over, it's going to end up being in the bottom 1 minus the rate. So 1 minus -2. That's easy enough. That does change to +2. So we do know that's 3. So we've got to enter, I just go ahead and I enter -3 parentheses 1 minus parentheses -2, because when I'm raising to the 10th, if I'm doing a negative number to a power, I've got to put it in parentheses. And a lot of us mess that one up. So we put all that in. The top comes out like 3,000 something. Then I divide by 3. I get 1,023 when I just put this into the calculator a minute ago. So yes, they're going to add to 1,023. That makes sense to me because if you think about it, it goes negative then positive, right? So these two together are going to be more positive. These two together are going to be more positive. Next two, if you add them together, are going to be more positive. And notice you have a perfect set of 10, right? Because there'd be 2 there, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's going to make sense that the answer does come out positive because that last number that's going to be pretty large is going to be a positive number and it's going to override everything. So 55, the answer's 1,023.